Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we will continue our exercise questions on page number 60. Are you ready? Okay, let us start the class. Well, question number 6, second part. In the picture, the circles on the left and right intersect at the middle circle at PQRS. The lines joining them meet the left and right circles at A, B, C, D. Prove that ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Ask the above question. Here also we have to prove that ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Here we have to prove that ABDC is cyclic. So first of all join PQ and RS. First of all join PQ and RS. As APQB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Once more, as APQB is cyclic if angle A equal to X, then what about angle Q? Angle BQP is equal to 180 minus X degree. If angle B equal to Y degree, then angle APQ is equal to 180 minus Y degree. Okay, is it clear for you? 180 minus X degree and 180 minus Y degree. Next, consider the next cyclic quadrilateral as PQSR is cyclic. Then angle PQS equal to X degree, angle QPR equal to Y degree. Angle PQS equal to X degree because it forms a linear pair. Okay, therefore angle PRS is equal to 180 minus X degree. Angle PRS is equal to 180 minus X degree. What is the reason? Opposite angles are supplementary. Okay. Next, if angle RPQ is equal to Y degree, angle RPQ is equal to Y degree because it forms a linear pair. Therefore, angle RSQ is equal to 180 minus Y degree. Angle RSQ equal to 180 minus Y degree. It is equal to 180 minus Y degree because they are the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Next, we have to consider cyclic quadrilateral RCDS, where angle RSD equal to Y degree and angle CRS equal to X degree, and here angle D equal to 180 minus X degree and angle C equal to 180 minus Y degree. Since RCDS is cyclic, angle CRS is equal to X degree because it forms a linear pair there. Therefore, angle CDS is equal to 180 minus X degree. Similarly, angle RSD equal to Y degree, a linear pair. Therefore, angle RCD equal to 180 minus Y degree. Okay, here we got all the four angles of quadrilateral ABDC. Next, we have to take the sum of opposite angles. First of all, angle A plus angle D and angle B plus angle C. Okay. Angle A plus angle D, it is equal to x plus 180 minus x, and it is equal to 180 degree. And angle B plus angle C is equal to y plus 180 minus y, and it is equal to 180. Both shows that the opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, we can write ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Next, question number 7. In the picture, the points P, Q, R are marked on the sides BC, CA, AB of triangle ABC and the circumcircles of triangle AQR and triangle BRP are drawn. M is the point where these circles intersect. Prove that the circumcircle of triangle CPQ is also passes through the point M. Okay. Here, the circumcircles of triangle AQR and triangle BRP are passed through the point M. We have to prove that the circumcircle of triangle CPQ also passes through the point M. Okay. So, let M be the common point where the three circles can be passed. If angle A equal to X, angle B equal to Y and angle C equal to Z. X plus Y plus Z equal to 180 degree because they are the angles of a triangle. Okay. Then angle QMR is equal to 180 minus X degree because AQMR is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Next, angle RMP is equal to 180 minus Y. We know that the angle around a point is 360 degree. So here angle around the point M is 360 degree. So we have to find the third angle PMQ. It is equal to 360 minus 180 minus X plus 180 minus Y. 180 plus 180 is 360. So 360 and 360 were cancelled. Then the answer is X plus Y. So we know that angle PMQ plus angle Z equal to 180 degree. So angle PMQ is equal to 180 minus Z. 180 minus Z is equal to 180 minus X plus Y. So we can write 180 minus X, 180 minus of X plus Y. 180 and 180 are cancelled. We get X plus Y. So angle PMQ is equal to X plus Y. That is, we have to take the sum of all the three angles of the point around M. Angle QMR plus angle RMP plus angle PMQ is equal to 180 minus X plus 180 minus Y plus X plus Y. Simplifying it, we get 360 degree. So again we get 360 degree. This shows that the circumcircle of ACPQ also passes through the point M. Okay, is it clear for you? So M is the common point for all the three circles. Next section, two chords. If two chords of a circle intersect within the circle, then the product of the parts of the two chords are equal. If two chords of a circle intersect within the circle, then the product of the parts of two chords are equal. Okay. Here AB and CD are two chords. They are intersect within the circle at a point P. Then the relation is PA into PB equal to PC into PD. PA and PB are the parts of the first chord AB and PC and PD are the parts of the second chord CD. Then the relation is PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Next, if two chords of a circle intersect within a circle, then the rectangle formed by the parts of the same chord has equal area. Here, AB and CD are the two chords. They are intersect at a point P. The rectangle formed on the part PA and the rectangle formed on the part PC, they have equal area. The rectangles formed on both the parts having same area. Okay. The product of the parts into which a diameter of a circle is cut by a perpendicular chord is equal to the square of half the chord. Once again, the product of the parts into which a diameter of a circle is cut by a perpendicular chord is equal to the square of half the chord. Okay, here AB is the diameter and CD is a chord. Both are intersect within the circle at a point P. Then the relation is PA into PB equal to PC square, or PA into PB equal to PD square, because the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So PC equal to PD. Okay. Next, the area of the rectangle formed of parts into which a diameter of a circle is cut by a perpendicular chord is equal to the area of the square formed by half the chord. Okay. Here, the rectangle formed on one part of the circle is equal to the square formed by half the chord. Okay. Using this principle, we have to do the constructions questions. Watch this video 2 or more times. If you have any doubt, ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.